Hi, my name is Robin Oakes, and this is my distance education lesson for Education 633. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a graph in Excel. First, you want to go to your Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office, and choose Excel. We're going to start from a blank workbook. So the purpose of this graph is going to be to show 24 consecutive months of a person's wages and the hours that they worked. So in this column here, we want to put months. And it can be very tedious and time consuming typing it into the months for 2 years. So if you grab the field handle and drag it down, you can drag it all the way down for 2 years until you get to December and you have all of the months for 2 years. So then we want to put in the amount earned. If we want this to fit properly, we can extend this tab out by selecting it and pulling it across until it fits properly. Now we want to put the amounts in, and to do this without having to constantly go through the tabs, you select the column and you begin to put the amounts in and tab through. Okay, we want this to show in currency, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab the field handle, drag it down, right click, and select Format Cells. We want to format the cells to be in currency and 2 decimal places, so once that's selected, click OK. This will change the formatting of the cell. Now we're going to create a graph with this information. So we select all of the information and we click Insert and we can go to Graphs. There are different graphs that you're able to utilize. For this purpose, we're going to use a 3D column graph. This basically shows the wages earned, but it doesn't really give us a whole lot of other information. So now we want to create a column to show the number of hours worked. We're going to select the whole column, so therefore we can just put the hours in and tab down as we go. Now, in order to add this information to the chart, you come over to the chart and right click, select data. You will return over to your Excel spreadsheet and select all of the data which you want to include and click OK. Now you can see the graph and it depicts the amount earned and the hours worked. So now we're not really sure what years this information is valid for. So what we want to do is be able to divide it up into the 2-year period. So what we're going to do is go over to our Excel spreadsheet and type in year. We're going to select from January to December. This is going to be, and click on Merge and Center, and this is going to be 2013. And then we're going to select from January to December, Merge and Center, and this is going to be 2014. So once again, we're going to go to our chart and we're going to click to select data, and we're going to come back over to include the year and click OK. So now you can see that it's divided up in between 2013, 2014. You can also change the colors. So in order to do this, go to Format Data Series, go to Fill, Solid Fill, and select the color in which you want. Also, to change the color of the second series, do the same thing. Format Data Series, select color, solid fill, and let's select red. So there you have your chart. You can also select your chart, and you can kind of play around with this a little bit and really just kind of get a feel for what chart best meets your needs. This chart here would be a little bit more representative to show you the amount of hours worked and the amount of income, and you can expand this chart out in which to actually be able to see the actual numbers on the chart. You can move this chart down so that it can be spread out further. That way, giving a better overview of the information. And this way you can see the actual amounts and then the hours that you put in for those months. And this is the end of my presentation. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you and have a great day.